this is Zoe. Today let's talk about the double disc grinding. Double disc grinding uses two opposing abrasive wheels to simultaneously grind two sides of the material. In one operation, equal amounts of material are removed from both sides. Grinding two sides of a part at the same time provides great control of dimensional tolerances, flatness, and parallelism. Double disc grinding has high grinding efficiency, high wear resistance, high grinding force, low grinding temperature, high workpiece accuracy, good surface quality, and flatness. Double disc grinding wheel with hexagonal, cylindrical, fan, and other different structures. Moresuperhard diamond and CBN grinding disc, including resin and vitrified bond discs. Double disc surface grinding disc, pallet grinding wheel, and so on. So, if you want to know more about that, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.